the graph of y is equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 is reflected in both the x and y axes. Find the algebraic equation of the graph after each reflection. So if we let f of x be equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, and that's considered the x-axis. The x-axis, a reflection in the x-axis, is represented by y is equal to minus f of x, if this is f of x. So if we now calculate y minus f of x, that means we need to put a minus sign in front of all that. So we put in a minus sign and we put down 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, close the bracket. And then all we need to do is take that minus sign into the bracket. So we get minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 4. For the y-axis, a reflection in the y-axis is represented by y is equal to f of minus x. So f of minus x is going to be 3 times minus x all squared plus 2 times minus x plus 4. Right, so 3 times, now minus x squared, the minus times the minus makes a positive, so that just becomes 3x squared. This becomes minus 2 times minus x, which is plus 2x, and we've got the plus 4 on the end there. Now, if we look at this graphically, the green graph here is our original graph, y is equal to f of x, so that's 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. Here we have the graph reflected in the x-axis, so we have y is equal to minus f of x, so that gave me minus 3x plus 2x minus 4. The sign of all these changed, that's that graph there. And here we have the blue graph, we have the reflection of the green graph in the y-axis, and that became 3x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay, so this has been a video to look at finding the graph, the equation of the graph, algebraic equation of the graph after a reflection in the x-axis and a reflection in the y-axis. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching. Just one thing is that we have to go back to this as the original graph, even at both parts of the question. Thank you very much.